Today I'm going to show you how to use a graphics card support. This will stop the graphics card from sagging down and will help to support its weight. This one I have is from a company called Up Here. I purchased this on Amazon. It's 19.5 centimeters tall, the base is 4 centimeters wide, and it has a magnet underneath to stop it from slipping. The actual graphics card support can be adjusted by loosening it, moving it up or down, then tightening it again. I'll show you some other graphics card supports on Amazon later in this video, as there are taller and shorter ones than this that you can buy. So what are the benefits of using a support for your graphics card? Well, as you can see from this one, it can look a bit horrible sagging down. Not only will a support stop the graphics card from bending, but it will also take the pressure off the motherboard's graphics card slot. So let's go ahead and install this and see what a difference it can make. Once this base is down, it should stay there because of its magnet. If your computer case has fans at the bottom of the case, then you might need a different type of support, which I'll show later in this video. Next, I want to adjust this so that it's holding the graphics card up with no sagging. So I'll loosen it, push it up, and once the graphics card looks straight, then I'll tighten this up to hold everything in place. If you have a graphics card like this, where the graphics card circuit board sticks out beyond the rest of the card, and you put the support under the circuit board, then it's not going to support the whole entire graphics card. It's best to put the support under something more sturdy. There are many graphics cards that have a flat edge, so in this instance, the support would simply be installed like this. You can install the support at the front if that works better for your system, but wherever you install it, just make sure it's not going to stop any fans from spinning. So let's have a look at the before and after. This is without the support, and this is with the support. These do come in various sizes. For example, as mentioned earlier, this one is 195mm tall, whereas this one on Amazon is 200mm tall, and this one has a height of 270mm. Or if you prefer, you could get something like this. Their small one can be adjusted from 51.5mm down to 26.5mm, the medium one between 79 and up to 130mm, and the large one from 182 down to 91mm. Or if you prefer an RGB version, these supports might be for you. They're actually ARGB, and the height of this is 180mm, and the stand can be adjusted up to 165mm. But as I mentioned earlier, if your computer case has fans at the bottom, you might not be able to stand this base on the bottom of your computer case. So you might prefer a graphics card support like this one. It's 276mm long and has an adjustable slider for various sized graphics cards. It can be installed at the side of the computer case with 3 screws. It has LED lighting, but there is also a black version of this that has no LED lighting, and there's also a white version with LED lighting and a white version without LED lighting. Years ago, many graphics cards looked similar to the one you're seeing here. They were much lighter and didn't need any support, as they were small and light, and so graphics cards bending was never a problem as far as I can remember. But now graphics cards can be big and heavy, and sometimes need a little bit of support to avoid any bending or sagging. Then there are graphics cards that are not that heavy, but they can still bend anyway. So if your graphics card is bending like this, or it's just so heavy that you want to help support it, then you might want to consider getting something like this. If you're new here, my name's Dave and I make all kinds of computer related videos, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.